Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are facing the issue no bootable device were found, so this video is for you. I will show you how to fix this issue. So in my case guys, this is error is different, but if you are getting any kind of issues related to boot device not found or no boot device is available, so this video is for you. First of all, we need to shut down our computer. You can even gently shut down it, or you can press and hold power button for 15 seconds. Now once the computer is completely shut down after pressing and holding the power button, you need to turn it on, and once you turn it on you need to have the bootable key or the BIOS key knowledge on your system. So in the Dell laptop the BIOS key will be F2, in the HP laptop it will be escape key, in the Lenovo it could be F10 or escape key as well. So I'm going to turn it on and I will continuously hit the F2 key. And you need to go to the boot sequence here, same here. As you can see here, there is no boot sequence in UEFI, so we need to select it to legacy here. And once you select here legacy options guys, you can see many options over there. Let me zoom in. So we need to select the first option, internal STT, on the top. So you can select it and click on up option here. Now it's on the top as you can see here, and also date and time should be correct here. So this is the first step. Let me try it out. Click on apply and click on OK. If this is also not working, date and time should be correct here. If this is not working, load default, select that. And also if you have selected the legacy as a secure boot, should be disabled. If you have selected the boot mode as a if you have selected boot mode as a legacy, so make sure secure boot should be disabled, since the legacy mode doesn't support the secure boot, only UEFI supports that. And if you have selected UEFI, make sure it is enabled. You can enable it, that is optional, but let me exit now and see if that works or not. Basically I was going to install the Windows 7 on it, but I got this error. Now Windows should boot now. As you can see here, the error has been fixed now. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.